Hello dear student, now continue the limit. Today we will discuss the trigonometrical form of limits. How can we solve? To solve these questions, we have to use limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is 1, and its other generalized form is limit theta tends to 0 sin a theta by a theta is 1. Limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta is 1. Limit theta tends to 0 tan a theta by a theta is 1. There are some questions. We discuss one by one. Limit theta tends to 0 sin a theta by tan b theta. But we have result sin a theta by a theta. Limit theta tends to 0 is 1. So here sin a theta divided by a theta into a theta. Here we divide and multiply by a theta. Similarly, tan b theta by b theta into b theta. Here this theta cancel. Limit theta tends to 0 sin a theta by a theta. Limit theta tends to 0 tan b theta by b theta into a by b. This term, this value is 1 and this value is 1. 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 into a by b. Answer is a by b. Next question, limit x tends to 0 tan x degree by x. If you have given angle in the form of degree, we have to at first change into radian. 180 degree is pi radian, so x degree is pi x by 180 radian. Limit x tends to 0 tan pi x by 180. This is the form of tan a theta. Here also be a theta, but here only x. So pi x by 180 into 180 by pi. Here we multiply pi by 180 into multiply 180 by pi. This cancel. Also this will be x. The pi by 180 is constant. Limit x tends to 0 tan pi x by 180 divided by pi x by 180, and this value is 1 according to this result. So this value is pi by 180. Next question, limit x tends to 0 cos x minus cos 3x divided by x into sin 3x minus sin x. In numerator, this is the form of cos c minus cos t, and denominator sin c minus sin d. At first, to solve this question, we convert cos c minus cos d into 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, and sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Cos x minus cos 3x will be 2 sin 2x into sin x divided by x into 2 cos 2x into sin x. Sin x cancel. 2 cancel. Now this will be limit x tends to 0 2 sin 2x x into sin x divided by 2x cos 2x into sin x. Sin x cancel. Sin by cos tan 2x divided by x 2. Here x coefficient of x is 2, so here divide by 2 and multiply by also 2. 2 cancel, then we also it's same. To be common constant here, limit x tends to 0 tan 2x by 2x, and this gives us value 1. So result is 2. Limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x by x cube. Limit x tends to 0 tan x. Here sin x we divide by cos x and multiply by cos x. So this will be tan x. So we can take common tan x. So tan x minus sin x will be tan x minus tan x into cos x, and tan x be common. So tan x into 1 minus cos x by x cube. Tan x 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x cube. 1x here, tan x by x, and 2 sin x by 2 whole square divided by x square. Here we have to substitute x square by 4 into 4, because sin x by 2 Here angle is x by 2 and it's a square. So in denominator also x square by 4. So here we adjust x square by 4 into 4. 2 by 4, this 4 is common. 2 by 4, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x into limit x tends to 0, sin x by 2 by x by 2 whole square. This will be 1 by 2 into 1 square. Answer is 1 by 2. Next, limit x tends to y, tan x minus tan y by x minus y. This is also the 0 by 0. In that question, like that question, when limit will be not equal to 0, limit will be not tends to 0, then we have to convert into the 0 limit. Here we let x equal to y plus something, y plus h. We have taken. When x tends to y, this x will be y, then h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Here substitute x is y plus h minus tan y divided by y plus h minus y. This y cancel. Tan y plus h minus tan y. Now tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So this will be sin y plus h by cos y plus h minus sin y by cos y by h. Taking LCM, cos y into cos y plus h. Sin y plus h into cos y minus sin y cos y plus h divided by cos y plus h whole divided by h. Sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. Sin a minus b. Y plus h minus y divided by h cos y plus h. This y cancel. Sin h by h into 1 by cos y into 1 by cos y plus h. And taking limit, this gives us value 1. Here 1 by cos y and here 1 by cos y plus 0. So 1 by cos y into 1 by cos y is sec square y. Next question, limit x tends to alpha, x sin alpha minus alpha sin x divided by x minus alpha. Here also let x equal to alpha plus h. When x tends to alpha, then h tends to 0. We change the limit. Limit h tends to 0. This x convert into alpha plus h, sin alpha minus alpha sin alpha plus h divided by alpha plus h minus alpha. This alpha cancel. Now we multiply the term alpha sin alpha plus h sin alpha minus alpha sin alpha plus h divided by h. From these two terms we take common alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha plus h sin alpha divided by h. This term is sin c minus sin d. So this will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 divided by h plus h sin alpha by h separate divided by h. This h cancel. This term will be minus 2 alpha cos alpha plus h by 2 sin h by 2. Here minus h by 2, but sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here this is negative. Sin h by 2 by h by 2 into 2. Here we are adjusting. Plus limit h tends to 0 as sin alpha by h. H cancel. Minus 2 alpha by 2. Limit h tends to 0 cos alpha plus h by 2. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2 plus sin alpha. This will be 1. Here h will be 0. So this gives us result minus alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha. Here will be result minus alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha. Next question is based on expansion of e to the power x and expansion of log 1 plus x. Here limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by x. At first we have to expand e to the power x. 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 up to infinity, minus e raised to minus x, 1 minus x plus x square by factorial 2 minus x cube by factorial 3 and so on up to infinity, divided by x. 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 and so on, minus 1 minus plus x minus x square plus x cube. Here positive negative cancel, x square plus minus cancel, so we get 2x plus 2x cube by factorial 3 plus and infinity, divided and so on, divided by x. Taking common x, 2 plus 2x square by factorial 3 plus so on, divided by x. This x cancel. Now putting the value of x be 0, 2 plus 0 and value is 2. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus b raised to x by x. At first we convert a raised to x into e to the power x log a, and b to the power x also e to the power x log b. So a to the power x convert into e to the power x log a, and b to the power x e to the power x log b, divided by x. Now using expansion formula, e to the power x, 1 plus x log a whole square by factorial 2 and so on, minus 1 plus x log b plus x log b whole square factorial 2 and so on. Now open the bracket and here 1 cancel, x log a minus x log b, x log a whole square by factorial 2 minus x log b whole square by factorial 2 and so on, divided by x. Limit x tends to 0, x be common, x log a minus log b plus x square by factorial 2 log a whole square minus log b whole square and so on, divided by x. In whole terms we take common x, log a minus log b plus x by factorial 2 log a square minus log b square plus so on, divided by x. X cancel. Now substitute the value of x be 0. So we get log a minus log b plus 0. So this will be log a by b. Log m minus log n will be log m by n. Next, limit x tends to 3, log x minus 2 by x minus 3. Here also limit x tends to 3, not to 0. So we convert, let x equal to 3 plus h. When x tends to 3, then h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, log 3 plus h minus 2 by 3 plus h minus 3. 3 cancel, log 1 plus h by h. Now expansion of log 1 plus x, and here h, so we write h minus h square by 2 plus h cube by 3 minus so on, divided by h. H be common from numerator and divided by denominator h. This cancel. 1 minus h by 2 plus h square by 3 minus so on. And substitute the value of h is 0. 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus 2. And answer is 1. Next, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. This is also the form of a to the power x. So here we convert into e to the power x log a. E raised to 1 by x log 1 plus x. A is 1 plus x and x is 1 by x. E raised to 1 by x log 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus so on. Take common x, e raised to 1 by x into x, 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus so on. Here x cancel. Now substitute the value of x 0, e raised to 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus e raised to 1, and this is e. Similarly, limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. limit x tends to infinity. This is also the form of a to the power x. So we convert e to the power x log a. E raised to x, and here we expand using the formula of log 1 plus x. 1 by x minus 1 by x square by 2 plus 1 by x cube by 3 minus so on. Taking common 1 by x, 1 minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3x square minus dot. X cancel. Now substitute limit x tends to infinity. 1 minus 1 by infinity plus 1 by infinity. E raised to 1. 1 by infinity is 0. So e raised to 1 minus 0 plus 0, and that gives us value. Answer is E. Next, limit x tends to infinity, 3x sine 1 by x. Here we let 1 by x is y. When x tends to infinity, that means 1 by infinity, that is 0. So x tends to infinity, then y tends to 0. The limit x tends to infinity, 3x sine 1 by x equal to limit y tends to 0, 3y sine y. 3 constant come out from limit y tends to 0, sine y by y. And sine theta by theta, limit theta tends to 0 is 1. So this value is 3. Okay, thank you.